Welcome to yet another video of our Thailand series. Today we are at Krabi, one of the islands, one of the more popular islands in the southern part of Thailand. Welcome to Ao Nang Beach. Today we will cover the Ao Nang Beach area in Krabi, one of Thailand's most beautiful yet laid-back coastal towns. Ao Nang is a perfect mix of scenic beauty and it has a small town charm as well. You will find plenty of beachside hotels, restaurants with stunning views of the Andaman Sea, loads of cute cafes, restaurants serving everything from Thai street to international cuisine, and some really nice shopping spots for souvenirs, beachwear and local crafts. In addition to this, in this video we'll also take you to a vibrant night market where you can grab delicious snacks, enjoy live music. But unlike Bangkok or Phuket, Ao Nang isn't about wild nightlife or the crowded parties. It's more relaxed, peaceful and ideal if you're looking to unwind, enjoy the sunset or just take a long walk in the beach. Whether you are here for island hopping, kayaking or just chill with a coconut breeze, Ao Nang gives you the perfect balance between comfort, beauty and calm. Let's look at Ao Nang more closely today. In the evening, it's a perfect time to go to Railay Beach from here. It's about 30 minutes by boat, or you can just walk along the beach, take a massage, eat along some of the restaurants in the beach area. This is the southern side of the beach area of Ao Nang, where it's more like you have the hotels, you have the restaurants and all of it. If you walk down this path a little bit, you will find the starting area of the market, and at around 6:37 o'clock there is a firework show here, so you can watch this show. The show is free, but it's always good to give some tips at the end of the show.
They come back. Will they leave the boat there? Where is it?
Test 2 2 1 test 2 1 test
After the evening fireworks, we took a quick 5-minute ride to Ao Nang Beach Road to the night market. It's a cozy little spot, not too crowded but full of life and color. You will find plenty of food stalls with most amazing smells, from grilled seafoods to pad thai to mango sticky rice and of course fresh coconut ice cream. There are also local vendors selling handmade souvenirs, clothes, beach accessories. This is a perfect place to pick up something unique to remember for your trip. The vibe here is really chill. You can walk around, grab some street food, even listen to some live music and enjoy the easygoing atmosphere. One thing here I noticed, unlike the big markets in Bangkok, this one feels more personal, more relaxed, very much like Ao Nang itself. So it was a very lovely evening here, spending some time looking after these food stalls, picking up a few things, eating here and all of it. We really had a great time. We spent about an hour or two here and we had an absolutely great time in the Ao Nang Beach night market.
This one? No 20?
Like I told you, the Eunang Landmark 9 Market also have live music. So you can pick up a chair, get some street side food, and enjoy the live music as well. So bring some time with you. You will spend a good time in this market. We also tasted lots of food, and honestly, everything looked so tempting. We just couldn't stop. From spicy grilled prawns and crispy rolls to sweet coconut pancakes, mango sticky rice. It was a food adventure. Every stall had some kind of an unique flavor. The best part was watching the locals cook and everything fresh right in front of you. The atmosphere was lively, still relaxed, just people enjoying food, music, and the warm Karabi night breeze. If you love trying local street food, the Aonang market is definitely a must visit.
Tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Boxing Stadium, Thailand, Landmark Boxing Stadium, Poda, Thai Boxing Super.
Yes, please. Yeah, I have you.
How much?
89. Look at that.
After exploring the night market, we headed back into the main street opposite to the Ayonang Beach Road. The street was still buzzing with people lined up with buffet shops, seafood restaurants, and cozy little cafes glowing under the fairy lights. We took a slow walk, checking out different menus and the smells coming from every direction, and finally decided to have dinner at one of the local restaurants. The vibe was super relaxed, open air, breeze, and that's easy Krabi Town. There are lots of 7-Elevens, there are lots of shopping stores, there are lots of souvenir stores which you can find along the beach road that stay open until about 11 o'clock at night. Give me the change. Oh, this is 140, right? 150. Right? Oh, I did not give. Sorry. How much is total? 220.
35 people. About 100 got so it was great. Thank you.
We wrapped up the night with a hearty meal, just soaking in the sounds of the street and a peaceful energy that Aonang has after dark. This was the restaurant we had dinner. It was pretty empty because this was not the busy season of the year, but it had a view of the beach road and then the beach in front of that. So we had a lovely time in this Kiran kitchen, bar and dining, and then we headed towards our hotel.
What is this, a cheese?
And that's how we ended our first night here at Aonang, full of good food, easy vibes, and a calm sea breeze. It was such a perfect balance of quiet and fun, not too crowded, not too wild, just the right place to unwind after a long day. Can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. Maybe some island hopping, some local food, and some, of course, those stunning Krabi views.
คนบ้า
Good morning from Aonang. It's a bright and beautiful day and we're all set for some island hopping. After a quick breakfast at the hotel, we headed to Aonang jetty. It was just a short drive from most hotels. The energy there is amazing. Tourists getting ready for the boat rides, locals helping organize the tours, and that sparkling blue water waiting for us. From here, you can visit some of Krabi's most famous spots like Fifi Islands, Hong Island, and a stunning Poda and Chicken Islands. We're super excited to hop on a long-tail boat and start our little adventure out in the Andaman Sea. So this is the fare chart. You will find these boards near the jetty showing prices for different island trips, whether you want to go on a group tour or on a private boat. And that's our longtail boat right there, those wooden traditional Thai boats. They are so charming, wooden, colorful, and perfect for those short island trips. The sound of the engine, the sea breeze, and the view of those limestone cliffs at the distance, it already feels like the start of a real adventure. For now, we are off. For the next few minutes, just sit back and enjoy the ride as we cruise along the turquoise waters of Krabi on a beautiful longtail boat. You will see those incredible limestone cliffs, hidden beaches, and the islands that make this place so special in our next video. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you have enjoyed exploring Aonang and joining us on the start of our island adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode. We have got some amazing islands coming up. Thank you. Till then, do take care.